start.
Yeah, as you all know that elections are around the corner, 2014. In Mumbai particularly, we are going for polls on 24th of April. And preparations are on as far as Shiv Sena is concerned. The election campaigning is taking big way. All the parties in the fray, they are doing their best to host their candidates, and just campaigning is catching its peak by the day. And as far as Shiv Sena is concerned, Shiv Sena party president Uddhavji Thackeray has pitched candidates. There are 20 in all in Maharashtra, and as far as Mumbai goes, we have 3 candidates in Mumbai. 3 are left for BJP, our ally, and 3 candidates, one in South Mumbai, one is South Central Mumbai, and one is Northwest. What Shiv Sena has come out with the manifesto or whatever things that will be known to the press and people as well in time to come. But just before that, what plans or what things we are working on, what subjects we should be putting our thrust on is number one is goes by roads and transport of Mumbai. If you are seeing around Mumbai, that not many roads are being done, and it's not just keeping in eyes what election is nearing and all that, but it's a continuous process we have taken over. And BMC, where it is represented, where it is governed by Shiv Sena and BJP alliance, and very soon Mumbai infrastructure as far as roads are concerned will be in order, and that will be to the advantage of the Mumbai people and those who users of the roads and all that. With that goes the problem of the transport. Now here Mumbai traffic congestion is the real thing which is faced by one and all. We are of the opinion, or we will be devising a mechanism where public transport will be given in time to come. Since the vehicles are rising by the day, we are thinking of to put a thrust and to make awareness catch with the Mumbai people that usage of public transport will be the advantages for both people of Mumbai as well as the commuters, because that not only will help in restoring our ecology, environment also, pollution will be controlled. So these are the things which are in the offing. The next point is, if you happen to see the basic requirement which is there, roads, then water for any city to develop or to keep keep the people of the city happy, content, that is water. Water resource is the main thing now. Whatever new buildings and new societies, whatever coming up in Mumbai Corporation has made it a compulsory thing that water harvesting, that has to be ensured, because the way this natural source of like water is depleting all over the world, we have to see that conservation of the same and the proper usage. So through BMC we are taking every step. But besides that, to see that enough of water is provided to the people of Mumbai, BMC is the only corporation who takes pride to say that we, in all over India and I think around the globe also, that it is the only corporation which owns its own dam. It has been built by BMC. So in time to come, the more water will be available for Mumbaikars. It should have been operationalized by now, but for the problems which the technical people and the authorities there found, so the things got a little delayed, but in time to come, very soon that will be in operation. So once that starts, I think Mumbai's water problem will be resolved, and it will be a great respite for everybody who's known as Mumbaikar. Next comes the problem of education, be it education from university, for colleges, schools. I mean, many problems are there, right from the admissions to till the exams take place. So right from availability of the books, textbooks, and the availability of the faculty, then how does it go with the students, then parents and teachers, that is enough.
5 minutes.
Oh, you said